If you know you're a new YouTuber or you're looking forward to start a new YouTube channel, then this video is for you, because I'll be talking about all the equipment needed for YouTube beginners based on your budget. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome to my channel. So guys, before I go into this equipment, let me say this. You know you can actually start whatever phone you are using, whether Android or iPhone. It doesn't matter whether it's iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 8, like it doesn't matter. As long as it has a good camera, just use it. And I always advise to use the back of your phone to record your videos, because it gives a clear view than the selfie camera. So try and wipe the back of your camera and start recording your content. Unless you have the money and you want to level up your content to a professional level, you can get a DSLR camera. Yeah, if you didn't have the money, just use the back of your phone and start making your content, and you see you get a very good result. So number 2 on my list is tripod. The work of a tripod is for stability of your phone, stability of your content. So we actually have a tripod of 50k, 40k, 30k. We also have a mini tripod like about 15k or 20k. You can keep that one on top of your table, on top of your chair, and start making your videos. But if you didn't have the money to purchase a tripod, just find something that will make your phone to be stable. Either a book, you pile up a book, you pile up some books and keep your phone. Just something that will make your phone to be stable and start making your content. And there's a hack that I normally use before I got a tripod. I will use my broomstick or my mop, use a rubber band and tie it and place it on the wall and start making my content. So you can actually do the same. If you didn't have the money to purchase a tripod, you can do the same with me. So number 3 on my list is lighting. So many of us have not started content creating just because of light, but I'm telling you for free today that you can use your natural light, which is your sunlight, your sunset. So stay opposite of your window, open your curtain wide and start making your content, and you will see an amazing result. But if you have some light, like some hack that I normally use before I bought my light, I normally use my torchlight, all these rechargeable lanterns, pile it up, just keep it in a position that it will be okay for my recording, and I will start making my record when the weather is not bright enough. So start recording your video with some of the things you have at hand, and you will see an amazing result. All we pray for is for growth. If we didn't have it today, tomorrow we can still get it. Number 4 on my list is a microphone. Microphone is very, very important because it keeps our audience. It keeps our audience to keep on watching our video. But when we didn't have a good mic, or when we didn't talk out loud, that reduces the sound of our video. So me, I don't have a mic and I'm planning to get one. So try and get a mic. But mic cannot stop you from creating your content. Just try and stay in a place where there is lesser noise. Close up your windows if you are using light, but if you are not using light, just find a time that the noise is lesser and start recording your content until you get the money to get a light. So guys, this is all I have for today. Number 1, I said, is your camera. You can replace your camera with a phone. Just use a phone to record your video. Always wipe the back of your phone. Use the back of your phone and always wipe it. Number 2 is for stability, our tripod. If you can't use a tripod, use your stick mop or pack up a boost and start recording. Number 3 is lighting. You can use your natural light. Stay opposite your window and you are good to go. Number 4 is microphone. Try and stay in a lesser noise place and start recording your content. Guys, this is all I have for today. I hope you find it interesting. And please subscribe, share, and hit the notification button to be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.